Hello, awesome YouTubers. Just wanted to make a quick video on how I sold $5,000 on Amazon in 1 month. And I'm sharing this because this is just an example of something that you can do and just different avenues of selling online. E-commerce is huge and Amazon is great because you can scale. Like, other sites, you might hit a limit of like 1,000 inventory items and then your house looks like Walmart and you don't have any more space or, things like that. But with Amazon, you could have literally a factory and, you would still have, not a factory, but, like a store like with like at least 20,000 items or something, and you can still have room for Amazon. And so that's why I'm talking about Amazon. Just the scalability is really huge. And also you do not have to ship items, and I was in San Francisco for a week. I sold a few $100s on Amazon and I didn't have to ship any of that, but all the other items I had to sell and ship. So what I did, and this was during Valentine's Day, Necco, which is a candy corporation, went bankrupt. And so what I did was I was talking to one of my reselling friends, and his name is Bill. Everybody should follow Bill. Anyways, he told me Necco is bankrupt, and I told him I was out shopping for Valentine's candies to sell on Amazon, and he said to get the sweethearts. And I said, yeah, I actually had some of those in my basket, but I didn't think how important it would be that buying this item during the time that it's bankrupt would make such a huge impact on my sales. So I told him, do you think I should buy them all? And he said yes. And I said, okay. So I trust him. He helped me a lot in my Amazon career. And so then that's also another topic, is to make friends with a lot of resellers that have a lot of experience, because they could give you tips and information. And so I went to all the stores and the 99-cent stores and basically bought out all of the sweetheart candies in like 7 stores, I think like 6 or 7 stores. And so you have to imagine buying like packs and packs of candy. And so Necco is being purchased by, I believe, Brax. So this is probably not going to work again when they revitalize Sweethearts and Necco sells the same brand product again. But just for me, during this time, it did work for me. So I bought things for $1. So it was $1 because it was 99-cent store. And I just bought all the sweetheart candies. I'm talking about like 7 bag loads of candy for each store. And I just bought all the candies, and someone would be an 8-pack selling for $15. Some would be a single pack selling for $10. Some would be a 12-pack or 8, 16, 24-pack selling for like, I don't know, like $30. And some would be a variety kind of flavor, something different. But all of it, the most important aspect was the fact that it was the older branding, not Brax branding. It was the Necco brand, because people like the nostalgia of like older brands and styles. And I got things that were a little bit unique and different than everybody else, because say everybody had this, but they might not have had that, or they might not have had the sours, or they might not have got it in a pack under somebody else's listing. So I didn't create my own multi-pack or bundling listing, but I just jumped on other people's listings that had that. And I just literally went to 7 stores and bought like 7 bagfuls of candy in 7 stores, spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars, and was like, oh, I hope this works, because if it doesn't work, that kind of sucks. I'll be stuck with a bunch of candy. But it worked. So shout out to Bill for the tip. And the thing about Amazon is you might go out there and there's something profitable, but is it profitable and is it rare? Is it profitable? Is it rare? Is it low price with high margins? Is it profitable? Is it low price and high margins and not a lot of sellers? There's just so many combinations and variables. So to just copy somebody would not be the thing, because this is probably not going to work out for next year, because it's probably going to be manufactured and a lot of people have access to it. But there's just a lot of variables with Amazon, and that's why it's kind of exciting and just very great for the entrepreneurial spirit. And I literally made $5,000 in 1 month, and that was just really awesome to see, because I always see Amazon sellers with like huge numbers and I'm like, that's awesome. I really wish I could be like that, but that's not going to be me. So I just want to encourage people, because there's no difference between me and you. And if you met me on the streets, you would just think I'm just this average Joe, just like everybody else. But you know, the thing is, I just know when something's good, you need to act on it. You need to act on it fast. You need to be the first one, and you need to know when to pull out. And you also need to know how rare, how special, how unique, and what kind of price point would be a good price point. And you just need to hustle really fast at that point. This could be very tiring, because right now everybody knows I'm a student and I cannot do that for the Easter items right now, or the Mother's Day, or maybe even the Father's Day, because I need to study for finals. But if I wasn't, I would be doing that. And I hope that some of you guys are inspired to do that, and you can network with other resellers and share information about what you think is going to do well. But you know, just make sure that you don't share it to everybody, because you're gonna they're just gonna tank the market. So just be really wise, think things through, look at Keepa and Camel. That's like the eBay solds, if you're like looking for the solds. And I have a video on that on my YouTube channel about how to check what's a good price, what's a good item to buy on Amazon. But I just want to let you know that it's totally possible that you could make good money on Amazon. You have to keep feeding the beast, and you have to make really smart choices, but it's totally plausible. And I just want to encourage everybody to be able to try to make an effort and try it. You know, I tried last year, I didn't do well, I gave up, but this year I just tried. So tenacity is really important. I hope this helps somebody. Please like and subscribe, and I will be studying this week. Have a good day. Bye.